Hey guys, welcome. It's Eric Roberts from Worst of the King, and today we're going to be talking about a really simple finger pattern that I learned early on, and I think it's really the foundation of what made me a really fast piano player. So it's really easy to do, and it will help you get those really fast fingers. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and every piano player should do it. So let's start out. It's a 5-finger pattern, and it starts out on middle C with your thumb. So you take your thumb and you put it down on middle C just like this. Every other finger goes on the next note: C, D, E, F, and G. So your pinky's on G and your thumb is on C. Now, you're going to have your hand kind of like a ball like this. So you want to have your hand kind of clawed up, not like straight up like this. And you want to have your wrist sort of straight. So like your wrist is straight and your hand is like a little ball. You put your hands right here on the piano. And then you take 4 down on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. But you can't move. Here's the key. You can't move any other finger off. So they're all lightly touching. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, up the scale. Real easy, but keep all your fingers touching at all times. 2, 3, 4. Start again, go back down. These little high fingers like the pinky and the ring finger are very hard. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the whole time I'm going very slow and I'm just pianissimo, so very soft down, and you're not letting any of your fingers fly up. This will stop you from getting flying fingers. A lot of people play scales and they got their fingers flying all over the place like this. So you want your fingers to always be, if you want to play fast, you want your fingers to be kind of curved and very close to the keys and not to jump all over the place. So in order to do that, you can just do that. That's the first part of this exercise. So it's just 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And you just keep going very slow. Now, part 2 of this exercise will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So it's still very slow and it's still very soft, and you have to try to keep all of your fingers touching the keys as you go. So that is the exercise. Now you can do this on any 5 white keys, so you can move them around and do it with your left hand. So you can go up here to G, go up to B. The idea is just to do it very slow and very methodical. Now, if you do this over and over again every day before you start your practice, your hands are going to start to react. In the beginning, your pinky might want to flip up, so you just work really hard and concentrate on getting your hands to lay on the keyboard, and you can do 2 hands together as well. This gets a little harder, so I challenge you to just get out the piano every day, sit down, keep your fingers all very softly touching the keys, very softly, and do that exercise. Hey, if you guys have any other questions, or you want to learn more, you can always go to worshiptheking.com and check out all the videos on YouTube, and join me in gold as I'm doing lessons every day and every week on YouTube and in the online school. God bless you guys. I'll see you around.